It'll be deemed in service. And we welcome you guys to tour it, take a look at it. They've changed quite a bit since I first started. And anybody that feels need, once the truck is in service, deliver, you can pray over the truck. We appreciate that. Like I said, it's going in service today, so it'll make its first call. So if everybody will give you a push, you have to take it.
I got the fire. There you go, right.
Oh my God.